But I know while you flash, at least they say something. Still I try to connect with you through your eyes. Your eyes. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond